Welcome back to the vlog. The day is just beginning. However, we have achieved a lot. Remember, we have been to Badrinath this morning. Yeah, and now we're going to Govind Ghat and moving towards another goal, which starts at the village Pulna. So let's get that. So beginning the trek Valley of Flowers. It's very hot. However, with waterfalls like that and such tranquil paths, we're gonna make this work. This is exciting. I've noticed one thing, that people are not going at this time what we time are going, which is close to 11 a.m. People are almost trekking down their way and we are going up. There's literally no one behind us, no one. So we're going first to the Valley of Flowers, and then there's a place called Ghangriya, which is a center place between Hemkund and the Valley of Flowers. So I have to go to Ghangriya, go to Valley of Flowers, then come back to Ghangriya and go to Hemkund side. That's a Gurudwara at the very top, and there was a foundation of the Hemkund Gurudwara at the bottom of like the start of this trek, and that is where we dropped all our big luggage. We are carrying like the rain gear, winter wear. That's all. It's difficult to carry even this much. Here they come. So the mules are used as a mode of transportation by the people who want to go to the pilgrimage but can't walk. What a beautiful way. The hair have been dyed. It's very hot. There are a lot of trees, a lot of places to sit where you can chill, relax. But we're not relaxing too much because that will tire us further. So keep going is the mantra. Don't think, just walk. I can bet this 12 kilometers more like 20. And here comes the rain. The elevation we're going to achieve today is 10,000 meters. Still trekking. We are way behind our timelines. It's 4 p.m. We have not reached even the base or the common place, Ghangriya. The first pretty side of the village, Ghangriya. Okay, looks like we have reached, huh? Aha. Guys, that's my first helicopter ever I'm seeing from such a small distance. It's amazing. So since it's a pilgrimage, a lot of people who don't want to trek, they just come here straight away via this helicopter. Welcome to Ghangriya, a town literally under the mountains and some 15 houses big village. Now since we have the evening to ourselves, we're going to watch this small documentary on the Valley of Flowers in this small theater. You're lucky, you can also have a look.
प्रसिद्ध हैं और अधिकतर कम तापमान वाले पर्यावरण में कीट परागण को बढ़ाने का एक अनुकूल माध्यम है। गढ़वाल कुमाऊं के पर्वतीय घास के मैदानों को क्षेत्रीय भाषा में पुष्पावती नदी के साथ में है। मुख्य घाटी 10 वर्ग किलोमीटर क्षेत्र में है। पुष्पावती नदी का मुख्य स्रोत ब्यूडार खाल के निकट टिपरा ग्लेशियर है।
So apparently there are some 520 species of flowered plants found in the Valley of Flowers, which I would have never gotten to know unless I came here. I'm so grateful for this insight. Good morning. These are absolutely simply rooms. A 500 rupees budget room. I don't think we can get a better deal than this. And just for like a few hours we had to stay. So now we found out that the Valley of Flowers doesn't have enough or so many
different varieties of flowers right now, and we have a choice to make between Hemkund Sahib and the Valley of Flowers, and it is Hemkund Sahib Gurudwara. It is a tough choice, and yeah, I think it should be worth it. So we're doing it some 6 kilometers trek, and it's a tough one. Like the 6 kilometer can take us up to 3 hours. So let's hope for the best.
So we stumbled upon this map and we thought, why not we check out our journey from Delhi to Haridwar via Rudraprayag, via Karanprayag to Chamoli, and then finally to Govind Ghat, and going to Badrinath, coming back and going to Hemkund Sahib. We are on our way. We haven't even finished yet, so let's see where the map takes us.